Hi, I'm Anita Burgess and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my virtual online consultations. In these 90-minute blocks, I'm going to work together with you to transform your space, make your life easier, and of course, get it organised. During your virtual consultation, we'll plan out your project together, go through all your problem areas, and we'll discuss your goals, expectations, and your budget. This is where we create a detailed timeline to keep everything on track. Here's what we'll cover: planning and preparing your project timeline, setting clear goals and expectations, as well as evaluating the space you already have in your home. We'll also dive into the nitty-gritty of sorting, decluttering, and organising your space. I'll guide you through each step, providing product research and guidance tailored to your needs. Need help finding the right products? I'll create tailored shopping lists just for you. We'll simplify your spaces together and implement fail-safe systems to keep it that way. Plus, we'll plan the layout to make the most out of your area. So if you're ready to transform your space and your home, let's get started today.